So continuing with my, the blood glucose monitor data, these are my continuous glucose monitor readings, and these are my blood glucose monitor readings. And continuous glucose monitor readings, they are available anytime to me on my device, like a smartphone. These for this blood glucose reading, I have to prick my finger with a blood glucose monitor. Now, since my blood glucose monitor readings are closer to my A1C, which gives us 3 months average tested in the lab, so I'm relying on it more. So what I want to do is, as I did in the last one, that if I see the continuous glucose meter reading like abnormal, I want to create a prediction interval using some software, and we are using a free software in this case. So that's what I showed you in the previous video. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you that how one can do that in something easy to carry, like in an iPhone. So for example, say it happens on the sidewalk. I don't have I don't have my computer open, or in a dinner, I don't have my computer open there either. Or say, for example, I'm teaching a class, or I'm in a gathering or somewhere. So the way it works is this, that I save my data on a Google Sheet, because it can be easily stored on Google Drive, on which we have free access to a certain extent, a lot more than we need for this smaller data. Okay, so let me just show you that how we can handle that on a device like iPhone, or if you have a different phone, then you can handle it differently. So what I will do is that I will pull up the data on the smartphone, and just using Sheets, and then we can go to Safari and pull up a stat.blue just by typing that in Google search. And then we are going to open the regression feature as we did before. Okay. And then we will go ahead and copy the column for the CGM, and then take it to that is stats.blue, and we paste it there. And then we have to do the same thing for the dependent variable. I mean, we are looking for a free software. This was the best I could get, by browsing. So anyway, so we go back and we put that in stat.blue again. And here it is. It works pretty good. I mean, but the columns, I couldn't find a way of like putting the columns together. Okay, maybe you can. And then what we do is we just go ahead and calculate the regression. And I think what I have done is I forgot to put on the inference, click on the inference. Here it is. So let's just get the inference. Now it will give me an offer to calculate confidence interval and the prediction intervals. So say my blood glucose, say my continuous monitor reading shows up as, say, for example, 205 mgdl, and I just want to know that is it too high according to the present sensor whose data I have. So you can see the software gave me the prediction interval, and which shows me that the maximum it can be is like about, the high end point of the prediction interval is about 166. Okay.